All right. Let's go over here. So, in case, well, I think everyone already knows, but my house has an actual fire alarm system. And as you can tell from what we just did, we're going to do a silent walk test. So this is going to be hospital style smoke detector testing. That's when there's no noise. There's just, you know, you get to get the readout of the detector, make sure it alarms, make sure the detector has power, all that good stuff. Let me show you a little bit. So it's a real system. Let me get this one in here. Where's our light? Hold on. Oh, I think you just saw it flash. You know, I don't know why, but I can never really get this to zoom in. There's the detector. Yeah, it's an actual system. It's all fished in. See, all the wires is fished in. So we are going to do, this is going to be silent, hospital style, so you're not going to hear anything beeping, but it's still pretty cool to do. Let's start this. What did I do with my handy dandy? There it is. We need the chair. Yeah. Here, I'm gonna do that one more time, only because I wasn't watching. Alright. There we go, we got that one. Now let me put my chair back. Okay. So now...
Very private. Even with the price, I think this house is incredible. But we need to check out the Ohana to see if we can make it work.
Yeah, let's go take a look at that.
Wow, great place.
Nice high ceilings in here. It's cool that it matches the main house. My mom would be very happy here. I can see a lot of uses for this. Our friends coming to visit us would love this. It's just, how do we pay for it?
How we charge our friends?
Wow, what a beautiful backyard.
Plenty of space out here for barbecues, Susio can run around here. This is excellent.
Love all the bamboo. That's just going to keep growing and give us more and more privacy back here.
Overall, we really love this property. The inside of the house is basically brand new.
The living space is very open. The skylights were definitely a bonus. I felt like that really made a small space feel much.
You know, other mobile companies like you to stay put with one type of plan. But we know life can take you anywhere, which is why you get the freedom to choose a data plan that actually fits you, and the ease of changing it up anytime. Choose between pay-as-you-gig or gig unlimited, all while running on a network with unbeatable 5G reliability. Flexibility feels good. Cox Mobile, we're different because you're different. Save up to 30% off until July 10. Whether you're moving across town or across the country, save up to 30% at Pods.com today.
Your chain's off. We can fix it now. And you're done. Introducing Front Door. Download today to Video Chat Expert.
All right, so that was a good portion of the system. Now the system has roughly 26 smoke detectors, so that was not the whole. I'm gonna do another video on that. We'll do more. I don't want you to think I'm leaving you out or anything. Oh, this is actually a good. Let me show you this. So if we could just get this to zoom in, that'd be great. So this one right here is the 120 volt tandem smoke detectors. That's what the house was built with. My father built the house himself. And there's only 6 smoke detectors that are like that in the house. That's how it was back in the 80s. This is the fire alarm system smoke detectors. Let's see. Those are all ones that I added. And then we also got something you might want to see. Let's see if I can get it in here. Can you see that? Yeah. There's smoke detectors in the various crawl spaces monitoring. I call them shaft smoke detectors. Let's see if we can get this one. There's one. Can you see it? It's literally like over there. We have a lot of smoke detectors. That one's monitoring a shaft. We have tons. There's 26 of them. There's another one in here too. Alright, so that concludes our little video, if you will. I'm going to make sure I make many more videos, though. This is the World Trade Center. We're going to have many, many more videos coming, so don't you worry.